In this video, I'll show you how to translate a video with HeyGen. First, open your web browser, go to the HeyGen website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open the Video Translate tool from the dashboard. Next, click Upload Video and select the video you want to translate from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish before moving on to the next step. Now, choose the original language spoken in the video, then select the language you want to translate it into. If available, review the voice and lip sync settings to match your preferences. After that, click Translate or Generate and wait while HeyGen processes your video. The platform will translate the speech, generate a new voice, and synchronize the lip movements with the translated audio. Finally, preview the translated video to make sure everything looks and sounds correct. If you're satisfied with the result, click Download to save the translated video to your device. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to translate a video with HeyGen. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.